Okay, yeah.
Wow.
You like the pillows?
Yeah, look at this.
Oh, I'm happy. Yeah.
I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
Hi and welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Today I'm doing a bedroom transformation for my 8-year-old son Caleb. So here is what the bedroom looked like before, and it's just plain blue covers and the wooden furniture. He really wanted a nautical themed bedroom, so my mum bought some items here from the range. I'll link this video down below and in the cards if you want to check it out. So in total the transformation cost less than £30 with these items and 2 pillows that I bought and painted, which I'll be showing you next. So I hope you enjoy this video and please like. And then I'm gonna do another one here, so I'll try and make it look the same. So this is like a felt type of material. So hi, by the way. So
to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can.
bye. Micah's saying hi again. Bye. Are you waving? Oh look, he's waving.
Bye in the middle of the video.
Are you saying hi to everybody, Micah? Say hi. I'll turn it around. I'll turn it around, Micah. Who's that? Say hi. Say hi. Are you going now?
Who wants that?
Right. What I'm gonna do now, guys, is we'll leave them to dry. So they are a little bit different, actually. I do like the one on the right better, but I'm gonna have to.
This one. I like that one. I like this one.
I'm gutted. Come and don't touch it. I don't want you to get paint on. I'm gutted that they're not exactly the same, but hey ho. Do you think this will look good though?
Yeah, this looks good.
I'll just have to go over that one tomorrow when it's dry. Yeah.
Mummy.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you.
day. It's a bit sunnier today, so I thought I'd show you another edition. Got the picture here of me and Caleb, and he was only about a week old here. And then here you can see this thing now. So it's lovely and blue. Such a lovely view. I think there's a ship all the way over there. Can you see it? We don't get too shaky. Yes, that's a lovely view from Caleb's bedroom. So nice. So the sea goes all the way. It's a bit lighter over there though. Can you see? It's not as blue over there. It's quite far away, that ship. Okay.
Wow. Cool. I like the pillows.
What do you think of the pillow that I made? Do you like it? It's a bit dark outside, unfortunately. Let me see if the light... Put the light on, see if that makes a difference. Not much. So what do you think?
Awesome.
So what I did was I've put storage under here. So you've got your Lego there. And you've got your Hot Wheels there. These rugs obviously don't go with the Nautical theme, but I know you like your car rugs, don't you? So don't mess Kayla's bed up neither. So I've got your Transformers and everything there. Bye. Good boy.